You're 3 kilometers in, then it hits. A sharp, stabbing pain just under your ribs. You stop, you bend over, you wait for it to fade. Nearly every runner on Earth has felt this exact pain. 70% of runners report a stitch within the last year. But here is the strange part. Nobody fully knows what causes it. A mystery hiding inside your own body. For 2,000 years, doctors have tried to explain it. A stitch in the side. Pliny the Elder, 77 AD. The official name is intimidating. Exercise-induced transient abdominal pain. It strikes most often on the right side, just below the rib cage. For decades, the explanation seemed obvious. It must be the diaphragm. That dome-shaped muscle below your lungs that powers every breath. The theory: hard breathing starves the diaphragm of oxygen, causing a cramp. It made intuitive sense. Runners breathe heavily. Stitches happen while running. Case closed, doctors thought, for nearly a century. In the late 1990s, Morton became obsessed with the stitch. Working at Avondale College in Australia, he ran the largest stitch study ever. He surveyed 965 athletes. He measured, he poked, he timed every stitch. What he found broke the diaphragm theory completely. Zero connection found between breathing rate and stitch pain. Swimmers got stitches too, without the heavy footfalls of running. Horseback riders got them. Even camel riders reported the same pain. So if not the diaphragm, then what? Morton turned his attention to something easy to overlook. The thin tissue lining your entire abdominal cavity. 2 slick layers, separated by a film of lubricating fluid. They glide against each other every time you move or breathe. Morton's hypothesis: when those layers get irritated, they rub. And the peritoneum is packed with pain-sensitive nerves. The friction generates the sharp, localized pain we know as a stitch. Suddenly, dozens of strange patterns made sense. Stitches strike more often after eating, especially sugary drinks before exercise. A full stomach tugs on the ligaments holding the peritoneum. 3 times more likely to get a stitch after a sugary drink. Morton tested this in 2004 with controlled feeding experiments. Volunteers drank water, juice, or sports drinks before treadmill runs. The high-sugar fruit juice produced the worst stitches by far. The denser the drink, the longer it sits, pulling on the abdomen. But there was another clue: posture. Plunkett and Morton noticed something striking in their data. 67% of stitch sufferers had measurable spinal curvature. Slouched posture compresses the abdomen and increases internal friction. Sit up straighter, run taller. The pain often eases. But here is what changes everything. A 2014 study suggested the peritoneum might not be the whole answer. The pain may actually start in your spinal nerves. Nerves from the abdomen and shoulder share the same spinal pathway. That is why stitch pain often radiates up to your right shoulder tip. Your brain confuses the signal. It misreads the source. So what helps? Slow down, breathe deeply, press into the pain. Skip the sugary drink before your run. Stretch your torso upward. Exhale hard as your left foot strikes the ground. Most stitches fade within minutes once you adjust. Next time that sharp pain stabs beneath your ribs, listen. Your body is telling you something about friction, fuel, and form.